the pamphlet of the wrong side of heaven and the righteous side of hell. There's lift me up, watch you bleed, you wrong side of heaven. Burn, motherfucker, I am sin, anywhere but here. Dot your eyes and cross your teeth. Mine and this way, mama said knock you out. Diary of a Dead Man. And now let's get to volume 2 before I change my goddamn mind. Here's volume 2 of the wrong side of heaven and the righteous side of hell. You have basically the same stuff. Here's the track listing: Here to Die, Wait Beneath My Sin, Wrecking Ball, Battleborn, Cradle to the Grave, Matter of Time, The Agony of Regret, Cold, Let This Go, My Heart Lied, A Day in My Life, and House of the Rising Sun. Here's both Purgatory Tales in the Pit on DVD and Blu-ray had the same songs. Intro, Under and Over It, Burn It Down, American Capitalist, Hard to See, Coming Down, Bad Company, White Knuckles, Drum Solo, Far From Home, Never Enough, War's the Answer, Remember Everything, No One Gets Left Behind, and The Bleeding. And here's the CD itself. The Wrong Side of Heaven and the Righteous Side of Hell, Volume 2, the CD and DVD. And here it is. Show face, disgrace, a scar, revolution. Nice boots, cheap suit, you're about to find out. Right here, right now, that's what I'm about. And here's the pamphlet. And you see the band members of 500 Up Punch: Jason, Ivan, Chris, Zoltan, and Jeremy. And here's the lyrics. Of course, we'll be excluding The Agony of Regret because it's instrumental. There's Here to Die, Wait Beneath My Sin, Wrecking Ball, and Battleborn. And Cradle to the Grave, Matter of Time, Cold, Let This Go, My Heart Lied, A Day in My Life, and House of the Rising Sun. And we just went over the wrong side of heaven and the righteous side of hell.